Hello everyone, today we are going to be talking about the ocean and exploring a 3D model of the topography of it. I made this out of styrofoam, brown paper, modeling clay, paint, and the blue plastic at the front that you see that represents the water. So in this, we have all the different features of the ocean floor. So here we have our water line, and behind it you can see the top of a volcano, and those are volcanic islands. They are formed from volcanoes erupting on the ocean floor and creating mountains that break through the surface of the ocean. And when that lava cools down, it creates these islands. So let's take a closer look. So here at water level, you can see, and then we get inside, and we can see that there are two more that are under the water level. So those are called seamounts, and these are mountains that don't break through the surface of the ocean. So on the sides, we have these two staircase-looking things, and they are the continental shelf and the continental slope. So the continental shelf is up here, the flat parts, so like the stepping part on a staircase. The continental slope is where you see the slope going down, so kind of like the hillside. And the slope you can tell by the steady incline, and it's actually steeper in the Pacific Ocean than it is in the Atlantic Ocean. The continental shelf gradually slopes, and it actually borders each continent, but varies from the width from the shore between a few kilometers and 1,300 kilometers. So next, we take a look at the abysmal plain, which is right here, and that is made up of thick layers of sediment. And that sediment is made up of sunken remains of dead organisms that have fallen from the surface. So beside that, we have the trench. You can see it comes down the side, and it goes along the continental slope. So trenches are the deepest spots on Earth, and they are just canyons. The trench is made up of converging plates, and over here we have diverging plates. And the diverging plates make up what is called the mid-ocean ridge. So along here we have the many peaks that you can see. And this goes around the entire Earth. And so the left side of this model, so this side from the middle, right here, the mid-ocean ridge, all the way, that side is the active side, the left side, and the right side, the side from here to here, is the passive side. You can tell this because the left side has the volcanoes and the seamounts, which are indications of moving plates, which we talked about, the trenches having the converging plates and this having the diverging plates. So those come together and can cause earthquakes and things like that. So that is just a quick rundown of the topography of the ocean floor.